Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best toolbars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the SN Knife 2-piece flat pry bar set, the budget-friendly option for those who need a basic tool for light-duty applications. Priced at just $8.98, this set includes 2 pry bars measuring 7 1/4 inches and 9 1/4 inches. Both bars are made of heat-treated high-carbon steel for durability, and they feature precision-honed beveled ends for easy penetration and prying. The radius end design adds strength and improves leverage, making them effective for pulling nails and scraping. While the build quality is decent for the price, these pry bars are best suited for occasional use or smaller DIY tasks. One major advantage is their rust-resistant coating, which ensures they stay functional over time. However, they're not ideal for heavy-duty projects, as the strength and size are somewhat limited. If you're looking for a basic, affordable pry bar set for casual home use, this is a good pick. Pros: budget-friendly, lightweight, rust-resistant. Cons: limited durability for heavy-duty tasks. Smaller size may not suit all needs. At number 4, we have the Lyle 3501 1/4 inch pry bar with strike cap, a compact and versatile tool priced at $10.49. This pocket-sized pry bar is ideal for automotive and household applications, from removing seals and O-rings to dislodging plastic clips and trim pieces. One standout feature is the strike cap on the handle, which allows you to tap it with a hammer for added force, a feature often missing in smaller pry bars. The 1/4 inch pry bar square shaft is sturdy and includes a pocket clip for easy portability. While this tool excels in precision tasks, its small size limits its leverage, making it less effective for heavy-duty prying. The build quality is solid, with the shaft designed to resist bending under normal use. This is a great companion for mechanics or anyone who frequently works on intricate projects, but it's not the tool for larger demolition jobs. Pros: compact design, strike cap for versatility, excellent for precision tasks. Cons: limited leverage, not suitable for heavy-duty use. Coming in at number 3, we have the Titan 1159 stainless steel pry bar scraper priced at $10.14. This tool is a versatile workhorse, combining a pry bar, nail puller, and razor-sharp scraper edge. Its angled edge is perfect for prying apart walls, removing moldings, and lifting tiles, while the scraper edge excels at cleaning surfaces and removing caulk or adhesives. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, yet it's sturdy enough to handle demanding tasks without bending. Users have praised its functionality and ergonomic design, but it's worth noting that the scraper edge requires careful handling to avoid accidental damage to surfaces. This is a fantastic tool for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want a multi-purpose solution for light to medium tasks. Pros: durable stainless steel construction, multifaceted functionality, lightweight. Cons: scraper edge may require cautious use, not suited for heavy-duty prying. At number 2, we have the Schall 4-piece flat pry bar set, priced at $20.49. This set includes 4 pry bars in lengths ranging from 5.5 inches to 15 inches, making it versatile enough for a wide range of tasks. Made from forged high-carbon steel, these pry bars are sturdy, rust-resistant, and built to last. The beveled edges and multiple nail slots enhance precision and usability, while the curved rocker head design reduces surface damage during use. Whether you're working on home remodeling, woodworking, or general DIY projects, these tools offer excellent leverage and control. Users appreciate the comfortable grip and milling processed edges, which prevent hand fatigue during extended use. While the set is slightly pricier than other options, the quality and variety justify the cost. Versatile sizes, durable high-carbon steel construction, comfortable grip. Cons: slightly higher price, heavier compared to single-piece tools. Finally, at number 1, we have the K-Tool International 71600 4-piece pry bar set, priced at $36.03. This premium set includes 4 pry bars in lengths of 6 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, and 20 inches, making it perfect for garages, repair shops, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Designed in a lady slipper style, these bars provide maximum leverage and control, ensuring efficiency and precision during use. The heavy-duty heat-treated steel construction guarantees durability, while the rolling head design allows for maneuverability in tight spaces. One of the standout features is the sturdy organizing case, which keeps the tools securely stored and easy to transport. While this set is the most expensive on our list, its versatility, durability, and professional-grade design make it the ultimate investment for anyone who requires reliable tools for demanding tasks. Pros: premium build quality, versatile lengths, organizing case included. Cons: higher price point, heavier set may not suit casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.